Guess what? That's a flipping good burger.
Flipping good burger. All right.
Rolling down Main on a Saturday night. That Sears is calling me like neon light. There's a place where the flavor's got a sound. Slim's Bar and Grill, best flipping burgers in town. Yeah, they're flipping, they're sizzling, cooking up right. Juicy on the inside, charred with a bite. For a city knows it's a spot renowned. Slim's got the best flipping burgers in town. Grease on the griddle, good vibes in the air. Cold drinks flowing and the locals all there. Everybody's got a legend passed down. Slim's Burger, goodness flipping the town. Yeah, they're flipping, they're sizzling, cooking up fine. Stacked up high with that tasty shine. Get you some fries, pull up and hang around. Slim's got the best flipping burgers in town. Pickles and onions, onion rings to top. Once you get a taste, you'll never want to stop. Tell your neighbors, tell your crew. Slim's got a table just waiting for you. They're flipping, they're grilling with that hometown sound, bringing folks together from all around. A small town legend where the good times go down. Slim's Bar and Grill, best flipping burgers in town. Slim's burgers with soul, grill so hot it's on a roll. Come for the burger, stay for the ditty. Slim's Bar and Grill in Forest City.
We're going to go in and try out some food.
Yeah,
All right. Yeah.
got some killer onion rings.
Say, hey, Paul. Hey, Paul.
Hey, hey, what's
Where
up?
we at, Paul?
We're at Slim's.
Slim.
Best hamburger, what'd they call it?
Best flipping hamburgers in town?
Yeah, there you go. Best freaking hamburgers in town.
Paul, tell us what you got there, bro.
I have a double cheeseburger with a fried egg and Carolina style with mustard, chili, onions, and slaw.
Now, it's missing something there.
Yeah, missing a bun. I'm on keto. I can't eat that.
That does look good, though.
Oh, yeah. Oh, now, look at this. Oh, my goodness. Look.
Yummy.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that small. Look at the smile on that face right there.
Yes, sir. Even before I tasted it, I'm smiling.
Think cut right here.
Look at that. Get some of that egg. Yeah, buddy.
2 grilled cheese sandwiches with the burger in the middle lettuce, tomato. Check that out, man. Check that out. And now they say this is the best flipping burger, so we're going to see. Oh, yeah. I never thought 2 grilled cheese sandwiches with a burger would be so good. Should have got the double burger. Very full. Awesome. Oh, how's that double, man?
This is awesome. That egg is just the right thing to top it off. We got that queso on there too, man. Adds a little spicy to it. Really good. Oh yeah. Eat that cheese.
Once again, Slim's here in Forest City. Big mural on the wall, on the buildings in front of us. Can't miss it. Yeah, excuse me. I'm gonna dig in.
Rolling down Main on a Saturday night. That Sears is calling me like neon light. There's a place where the flavor's got a sound. Slim's Bar and Grill, best flipping burgers in town. Yeah, they're flipping, they're sizzling, cooking up right. Juicy on the inside, charred with a bite. Forest City knows it's a spot renowned. Slim's got the best flipping burgers in town.